Hey, my name is Kalam. In this video, I'm going to show you how to exactly remove your website from WordPress. Yes, and at first go to I'm going to here. This is my website. Now, if I want to delete my website, and then go to your cpanel. I'm going to my cpanel. This is my cpanel. Then go to WordPress Manager by Softcolors. Here is my two website edit, and now click here, then click here uninstall. It is simple work. Remove installation. Wait few seconds. Yes, it's successfully removed. Then go to my website. You see my WordPress website here. This one. Then I want to reinstall it. Then go to again. Go to again use cpanel. Then go to WordPress Manager by Softcolors again. Then go to install. Then select your domain name. Then this one I enter this domain name and add. If you have a SSL certificate, then select HTTPS and double colon. Then if you don't have HTTPS, then select this one. So I select this one. OK. Then at first create your admin user. Then I want to just admin. Then I want to set my password. Okay. Then this is a one email address. I want to change this one. Then okay, this is good. But if you want to change there, then type any word. This is no matter. Then go to then install. Please wait few seconds. Yes,